Oh, don't worry, be hoppy. Did you write that?
I did. Easter's all about the peeps. I can do more Easter puns, but I'll stop.
It's our old friend Taylor Kaye on the show, heading into Easter weekend. How are you?
Good.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
I'm ready. I got my pink and yellow.
Pastels.
I'm ready to rock it.
Okay, what are we doing?
All right, well, you know what? I know people want to add some color to their home for Easter, and you don't have to go overboard, and you don't have to bust your budget, but there's some decor items that you can add. You know, maybe a cute little tablecloth, maybe it's just a cute little egg, or check out this sign, this marquee sign, Easter sign. When people come, it lights up. I don't know if you can see it on TV, but there it goes.
Right, and you just stand beside it the whole time?
I stand beside it. Well, you put batteries in it.
Flickering the light.
I like if you're going to someone's house for brunch, you can fill a basket with some tea towels, chocolates, maybe some cheeses and crackers. And I picked all this stuff at HomeSense, right? You're not gonna bust your budget. Add those pops of color, and maybe, like, we're gonna do some brunch ideas. You can add some cute little blue plates to your tablescape that you can reuse through spring. So lots of fun stuff.
The special K's, your daughters are older now. Are they still into Easter?
They are. They're wondering what the Easter Bunny's gonna bring. So I got the Easter Bunny on speed dial. I'm like, what am I getting too?
Okay, what are we making?
Well, you know what? I will say, time I have because I have the special K's and I cannot clone myself. Not yet. Grocery shopping. I've got a tip for you for grocery shopping. Online grocery shopping and delivery and pickup. What I use is PC Express because it is easy. I do it online. They've got this new PC Express pass, and for anything over $35, free pickup and delivery for $9.99 a month or $99.99 for the year, and you get free at pcexpress.ca, a free month. So groceries are expensive, right? We know that.
So it's easy to get to $35.
Yeah, get the and you know what? The kids, I find that when they're shopping for Easter, my kids will add stuff. When I do online shopping, I can get it out of the cart. Last night I got things delivered that were supposed to be here, and I left it in the freezer.
What did you bring?
I was supposed to bring my cheesecake. And
where is the cheesecake?
It's still in the freezer.
Does it look like that?
It's a PC cheesecake. Yes, that's what it looks like.
Ooh, a nice cherry cheesecake. So where is this cherry cheesecake?
It's actually in my freezer. So my mother called me. She's like, "Where's the cheesecake?" And I'm like, OMG, so it got delivered to the house, but then when you actually go to someone's house, you should actually bring it. Okay. So anyway, all right, so we're gonna make some fun.
Or a picture of a cheesecake that you were gonna bring.
What we're gonna make here at Turkey Sliders. So today, Good Friday, there's a lot of Good Friday hikes. We go down to Albion Falls. 11 a.m. Come join me if you want. I'm just on Mud Street.
So this is friends, family?
Friends and family. We've been doing it for years. My dad started it when he was like 5.
So this is years and years and years,
It's been going on for 70 years. I'm not 70 clearly, but
this is something you did as a little kid, and now you're passing that along to your kids.
Yeah, and we see, it's a big reunion at Albion Falls, so it's lots of fun. And then we have food at the end, and this is what we make. We make these I make these turkey sliders because it's easy because people are hangry after they come from the hike.
Well, and it's different too because if you're religious, a lot of people aren't eating meat today, so they eat fish, like fish and chips is a big thing. But this is an option for you. So.
This is an option for people. Yeah. So these turkey sliders, I will tell you the sweet rolls I use. Again, I'm not baking all the time, so these are King's Hawaiian original Hawaiian sweet rolls. You can get them in your bakery section at Loblaws. And they're soft and fluffy, and I'm going to get you to make these turkey sliders here. So what I do is I set up this is a honey Dijon mustard. I know, delicious. Some mayonnaise. I'll have it all set up for people to do, but then I'll also
then you get them to do the work.
Yes, because there's always that one person that's like, I don't want mayo, I don't want cheese, or you know what? Fine, maybe you just want a vegetarian one. Oh, you forgot lettuce. You don't want lettuce.
No, I got lettuce in there.
Do you?
I got some greens in there.
Again, you can have these all pre-made and ready to go. I just got, again, I got a great turkey roast. You throw that in the oven. I did that last night. Are you gonna? You gonna go? What? You want more turkey? More and more turkey too.
Look at that sandwich. Okay.
So I cooked that the night before, and then it's ready to go so that I'm not rushing around in the morning. So lots of fun stuff. Easter egg hunts too, right? People are getting ready for an Easter egg hunt. And I will say it takes a while, right? I hope for these Easter egg hunts. Did you hear about this mall in Dayton, Ohio?
No.
Parents were pushing other kids down for Easter eggs.
What?
So they've had to ban Easter egg hunts in this mall.
In the U.S.?
Yes.
Something like that would happen?
That's surprising. Anyway, so I've got an idea to make your Easter egg hunt.
So we got like 30 seconds.
Okay,
what do we got?
So I've got, it's like a little, scavenger hunt. Love and joy and Easter wishes. Tim, your next clue is where I'm hiding the dirty dishes, and I'm hiding something where you keep the dirty dishes. What did you?
Yeah.
Oh, Tim, oh yeah. Yes. Let's go on a treasure hunt. It will be such fun. Go to a place where you put your shoes on when the day's all done.
In the kitchen here?
Well, it would be in a closet. But
Okay. Oh, this is the only thing that I have to
That's the only thing you had to find.
How can people follow you?
TaylorKaye.com.
Okay. Oh, you can see her at Albion Falls today.
That's right.
Yay.
Not
Okay.
wearing pink.
More Morning Live on your Good Friday after this. What are these?
They're delicious chocolate cookies. They're like
oh, they're little
dipped.
cookies,
Yeah,
eh?
have some.
All right. I haven't had any chocolate today, so this will be perfect.
Eat them up.